ちょっと待って。これどうしたらいいんだ？先にモニターかな？ Okay, there we go. It's chat messages. Chicken, bird. Oh no, she's cute. I'm awake. So cute. Oh no, she's cute. Chicken. Ah, Shit, that's hitting hard. That could make me cry. I guess it just shows the like debut stream of whoever you're playing, right? Oh my god. Wait, but it's pickle music. It's pickle Minecraft music. I love that. That's also so nostalgic to me. 嘘だろ？感動したわ。おえー Cute! Cute idea! But this is gonna be difficult. Wait, if I go for the screen, do I die? Chicken. Alright, okay, wait, it goes right, left, hungry. So hype. Hype, whoop, whoop! Kiara-chan! Ah! She's cute! Lamau Fuki! Wait, shit. Is it over? No, there's one more. Oh no, she's cute! Yeah, that's right. Fall in love with me. I'm hungry. So what? What? Hi to you, chat. Rise up. So it makes me think of some song. I don't know what though. Please, one more. Hello. Thank you. KFP. So hype. Fest Expo this weekend. Hype. And Crazy Phoenix.